Hey creator, I know you. I know what you want. You just want to get paid. Let me show you how after I pick up all this stuff. Hello, my friend. I'm Ian Corzine, your YouTube community lawyer. Today, we're going to be talking about brand deals for YouTubers, how to get the right brand deal so you can get paid for all those fingernail tapping, toy destruction, spicy food reaction videos that we have to watch. All right, let's hit this. Jamie didn't know what to do with his life after high school. He wanted a job where he wouldn't have to work hard and he could play video games on his mobile phone all day. So he got a job with the city. No, he found Amazon affiliate link marketing. He put together a WordPress site, he got some DIY products together, got some content on the website, and started pulling down consistently $4,000 a month. You creators can do this too by having Amazon affiliate links in the description section of your videos or opening an Amazon influencer storefront. It's actually really easy to do. Just Google Amazon Associates, find the affiliate marketing page, enter in your name, enter in your channel name, enter in some other vitals, and then pick the products that you want to sell. It will produce links for you to include in your videos. When you do product reviews, make sure and highlight the products that you want to sell, refer your viewers to the link in the description. You can make between 10% and 1% commission on everything you sell. And the bonus is that it's per session. So if someone buys a camera off your site and a tripod, you get credit for both. So that's an example of an Amazon brand deal. $4,000 a month is a lot of money, but not every YouTuber is going to have that kind of success. It takes a lot of hard work and determination, and I know you want consistent results from brands you want to work with. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to attract brand deals and also how to secure brand deals with proper contract terms. But before we go too far, I want to talk with you about whether or not brand deals are for you at this point in your YouTube career. Yeah, why would a brand want to work with you? You're sitting there on your yellow couch eating red hot Funyuns. I see you there. Don't think I can't see you. It's because brands want to access the audience that you've worked so hard to cultivate. They want to capitalize on the trust you've built up with your fans so that there's less resistance to your fans buying their products. So check yourself. Ask yourself this: would I brag about this particular product I want to sell to one of my friends? If the answer is yes, then you're ready for a brand deal. Sarah made a makeup bag that she wanted to sell on the internet. She sent a free one to this big YouTuber who does makeup named Zoella, has about 11 million subs or so. On one of Zoella's videos, her boyfriend was doing her makeup and pulled some makeup from Sarah's bag. The bag was only on screen for a couple of seconds, but shortly thereafter, Sarah made tens of thousands of sales. This is the power of brand integration marketing that you can capitalize on. So you've decided you want to do a brand deal. Well, there's only two options. Either the brands come after you or you go after them. You can make more money if the brands come after you. Here's how to attract brand deals. Your channel has got to have a defined audience. Who are you speaking directly to? Emma Chamberlain is speaking to Gen Z girls. Jacksepticeye is speaking to immature gamers. Peter McKinnon is speaking to photographers who like endless B-roll. And there's no way around it. You've got to produce great videos with extreme audience engagement. The brands can see your audience engagement by going to socialblade.com and looking at your YouTube report card. You want 5% audience engagement or higher. Audience engagement is a combination of likes, comments, dislikes, over views. If you have a defined audience and great videos, then brands will come after you, but if you don't, you gotta hit the pavement. But don't worry, it's easy to do. Let me show you the steps. Well, the first thing you gotta do is create a media kit. What's a media kit? Well, it's basically like a resume that has your name, your contact information, your channel name, your audience as defined as you can, and brands use this to evaluate whether or not you'd be a good salesperson for their product. Don't know where to start? That's okay. I created a sample template media kit that you can download on our Discord server. I have a link to the Discord server in the description section below. The second thing you need to do is draft a rate sheet. Don't know what to charge? That's easy. Go to socialbluebook.com and register or log in if you've already registered before. Then click on My Values. There you can see that for a dedicated upload, which is basically a video only about the product, I can charge $39.90. Forget that. Double it-ish. I'll charge $100 for a dedicated upload, $30 for a shout out, $10 for a link, and $5 for a community tab post. Man, I gotta work on views, and just remember the rate sheet template that I created for you is downloadable on the Discord server. The third thing you need to remember is make sure that the business email address in your About page on your YouTube channel is up to date. This is the primary way that brands will contact you. Now it's time for the brand approach. Do you want it easy or do you want it hard? Knowing you sitting there with a towel around your waist eating vegan ice cream, you want it easy, right? All right, easy it is. Go to the influencer marketing sites, find the product that you want to rep, and then apply to the brands. The best sites are FameBit, Grapevine, Octoly, Content Boulevard, Pearloo, and obviously, I'll put links to all these sites in the description section below. Sign up on these sites is really easy. You just enter in your email, your channel name, your mailing address, and then you pick the stuff that you want to sell. Before you go to these sites, you need to nail down your ad proposal, which is basically a brief and pithy offer to the brands. You need to convince them that you're gonna move some merchandise. Don't know where to start? No problem. I put together a template ad proposal that you can download from our Discord server. The link is below. Just to see how these websites work, in FameBit, you find the product you wanna represent, click on Send Proposal, enter in your fee, the time to complete the project, and then just cut and paste my template with your changes in the box and hit send. Most manufacturers will respond in 2 to 3 days and you're on your way to making your brand deal. Now I know some of you out there don't want to be put in a box. You don't want to be told what you can sell and what you can't sell. You want to sell what you want to sell. For those people, here are the steps. First things first, you put together a list of the products that you would be willing to represent. Then go to the product's website, try to find if there's a sponsorship or affiliate link that you can access, and then follow the process for that website to become an influencer for that particular product. If there is no affiliate link, then before you go to the Contact Us page, do a LinkedIn search. Search the name of your product or your manufacturer with the word marketing. You might get lucky and get a direct line to the marketing manager for that particular product. If all else fails, then that Contact Us page for the product you're trying to represent is the best means to be able to contact that brand. Make sure you use that template ad proposal in the text of your email. Now, when you get that brand deal, however you got it, there are a few things that need to be in the sponsorship agreement. The first thing is you need to have a time limit in the contract. You need to know how much time you have to create the content that will sell the product. You need a deliverables provision. You need to know exactly what the brand is expecting from your video. You need a cancellation clause. Under what conditions can you cancel a deal? Under what conditions can the brand cancel the deal? And finally, you need a payment clause. You need to know how you will be paid for this deal. Will it be by check, PayPal, direct deposit? You gotta get this locked down before signing the brand deal. All right, now you're ready for some more information on how to move forward with your YouTube career. Check out my latest video right there. It has some vital information that you need before you publish your next video. And hey, if you're new to the channel, come join us, subscribe. Also, I do live chats and you get free legal templates on our Discord server. There's a link in the description section below. So creator, what'd you think? Yeah, that's enough for today. See you next time.